Hello, I am Noe and I have created Shift Keys, the online store that will sell 3D printed keycaps made from 100% recycled plastic. Today I'm going to show you what I made so far. Here we are in my cave. And this is my pretty old Ender 3 Neo and my newly built Recreator 3D Mark V. And this is the process of turning a plastic bottle into a fully functional keycap. First, I need to prepare the bottle, then turn it into filament and print it. But I have some problems. But this is a story for another video. If you want to see how this project goes on, please consider subscribing. See you in the next one.